Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it? Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Member of Parliament for West Portland, Daryl Vaz, has sought legal advice regarding comments made by his PNP challenger, Doreen Campbell, on the campaign trail. While addressing a PNP meeting at Buffby Primary School on Sunday, Ms. Campbell encouraged comrades to take money from those who wish to buy their support, but to ensure they vote for her as Member of Parliament. She also seemed to suggest votes had been bought in the constituency in prior elections. My people, una hear this? Una run, come, una hear the one Daryl Vaz. You see? Fire the must steal them think a cool breeze. When Daryl Vaz ready, in go out public in a film constituency and throw peer shades and disrespect the PNP all the time. The one Daryl Vaz yesterday. So wait they know. Who see the video when me put out yesterday, my people? If uno no watch the video, may I beg uno go watch it. Doreen Campbell, Member of Parliament, my people, from the PNP National Party, she come out and she tell the people them in our constituency here what. You see, if Andrew Ownless them a bribe uno with money, uno take the money and come vote for me. Wanna hear that? Tell me if she wrong or she right, my people. Wanna talk truth. Talk truth. Remember, so them like to bribe people with money, So me no blame her. I would say the same bloody thing too. I would give them the same advice. So the one Daryl Vaz him a run out about him go get legal advice. You see entitlement, You see entitlement about in love as some lawsuit thing him want do, wanna see what him do to Dayton Campbell and think him a go get away with it, that I go dash right out of court. Me I tell you now, wanna watch. That I go dash right out of court house boy lawsuit, but him a send lawsuit. Look how much time I see him come out and I disrespect people and I chat off him out. Enough time I see Daryl Vaz come out and do that. Yeah, and him Daryl Vaz got prison because him broke traffic light. And no, me no hear nobody come out and talk about it. Me no see Anthony Anderson come and talk about it. Him broke light, it on video. You understand? Him broke the red light. And Anthony Anderson will come out and talk about it. But look, remember when L.A. Lewis did do what him do? Yeah? Wanna remember when L.A. Lewis do what him do? How they after L.A. Lewis? Listen to me, man. The JLP, them, they no fear at all. Them one-sided. And them all for them damn self. And your ownest administration, me talk. Them all for them bloody self. And this thing is not right. You can't imagine? The woman attack to her constituency. What have to do with you? But it's the truth. Remember say evidence is there, Remember say evidence is there. People there are for no conference. Remember, people there are no conference, In a phone no conference, Outside of no conference, A show off with the money when them receive, from JLP, So when you attack about legal advice, brother, go sit down. Go sit down because the evidence is there. So sit down. Where you want go? Where you want go? She have all right. But she go get but him go get the legal advice. Go in the mus face too. But him go get advice. You better get advice. Yeah, get advice for the wrong thing. You better go get advice for the 6th thief. in a your party at that of it think about. You better buckle up for yourself. You can't stay there. The people wanna tell me how you feel about this. You can imagine. You see, for all who never watch the video, you not go understand. You have to go watch the video when I put out yesterday with Doreen Campbell when she tell our constituency say, if them a bribe you with money, take it and still come vote for me. Nothing wrong with that. Remember, so when I give you money, you know. Remember, so I give you money for vote, for people vote and prefer Uno. That is so stupid. That's so stupid. Who does that? Eh? We want a better country. We want our country to be better. You understand? So we are going to vote for the right person. I want to know. My people, wanna put it in the comment section and tell me how you feel about this. Tell me if you agree with Doreen Campbell or you agree with Daryl Vaz. If I come like Daryl Vaz lick him head 2 sides and 3 corners. Anyway, hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is currently in Washington, D.C. in the United States for a working visit, which is scheduled to continue until December the 7th. The Office of the Prime Minister gave the update in a brief statement on Monday. It did not outline the objectives or itinerary for the trip. The people, anytime Andrew Holness are going nowhere, he never tell the people them what he go do. He not tell nobody them in business. But when him come back, then you only hear say him sign this and he sign that and he collect how much money. That's all him do. You understand me? So I just want to know, so when the Prime Minister is in Washington, D.C. now, and Horace Chang, the Security Minister, the Deputy Prime Minister, is in charge of the country, while Master Andrew Holness is away, because me know say something him up to now. Wanna just wait. So when him come back, wanna just give it 1 month or even less than a month. You go hear saying sign this and sign that and sign. That's all in good for. So that. Hear this. Respected international analytics firm Gallup Inc. has ranked Jamaica among the safest countries in the world in its 2023 Global Law and Order report. An article by Breaking Travel News BTN reported that Gallup has placed Jamaica in a category with countries like New Zealand, Costa Rica, and Cyprus. Stick up in. Let we stick a pin today, right now, right here. Whisper, I wish I was about to get them something here from. You know the reason why the people them do these things? Because Andrew Holness administration like to lie. Like Horace Chang, I talk about crime is down by this a percent and that the percent. You understand? This is where these people come up with this foolishness. And where they get this from? And where them get this idea from? Who put this idea together? Hello, Jamaica is not one of the safest. No, it is a lie. I don't believe that. I do not believe that. Jamaica is one of the safest. How? How? You know, me people, me say it already, I'm going to say it again. The reason why the people them do these things, because Horace Chang, I say how crime is done when crime is not done, because majority of the crime don't come out on social media. Majority of the crime don't come on media platform. Majority of the crime is not in the paper. A lot of people lost their lives and it not come out in the paper nor on the media. So what we not talk about? And the things them we see every single day. Killing, non-stop. So what you talking about? Wanna get this up something here from? This, so this is an error. This is a big mistake. Something alright. Something alright. Wanna stop it. Andrew Holness cause all of this. Stop it. This is not true. This is not true. The amount it could never be. It could, I don't believe this. This statistic or this analysis we want to do, something go wrong. I beg, something go wrong. This is not right. How comes? How comes? People are get robbed every day. People are lose them life every day. And the amount of people, you can't even count by your fingers. So what are you talking about? You know what? I think it's system glitch. When I hear my people, tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about this. Well, it is alleged between me and Uni, you know, because I know say, me have to tell another things. It is alleged that their friends, they have friends in high places, so they can put what they like. And when me say so, it is alleged. It's thinking of the street. All right, my people. So I just make my audience know what go on. It is alleged that they have friends in high places, so they come together and just put this out to make Jamaica look good. Wanna stop trick people. If this is so, stop trick people. You understand? Stop it. Stop it. A lot of returning residents lose their life. You can't count them by your finger. A lot of returning residents lose them life in this country. So we wanna talk about make it make sense. Plus so much, come on, really and truly? Really and truly. Jamaica is not, no, Jamaica is not, because if you're Jamaica, you have to watch your back. You don't feel safe. Cause me did there Jamaica this year and me never feel 100% safe. You understand? Me have to watch my surroundings and careful where and where me go. So I wanna talk about. My people, wanna make it make sense here. Cause me can't bother with them. So wanna tell me how you feel about this. Put it in the comment section. Me want hear your opinion on this, you know, my people. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. A big warm welcome to everybody that has been liking and sharing my videos and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you all, guys. Thanks for all the support, the love and support you wanna shower me with. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Remember, you know, if you want to subscribe, remember to click that post notification bell, my people. So when me drop the video, them wanna get them. You see, if you wanna click all, pan that the post notification bell, if you don't click the bell, you not go get my video them, you know. So you just please do me a favor and just subscribe. Press the notification bell and click all. Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.